Hello everybody, I've made a new update. This update is all about the text editor. Let's just go over to this new save I made. So we've got a brick, and this brick has a script. And this script is simply just a loop that makes it do some crazy shit. Let's hit play, and I'll show you the crazy shit that it does. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Anyway, so that's not what the video is about, though. We're gonna talk all about this, the text editor. So, if you notice, there's a new menu, and we've got a button here called Calibrate Key Map. Now, what this does is it shows the game to know what keys mean what. It shows it shows the game what keyboard combinations mean. So, like, my friend has a keyboard. My friend has the most of us in America have the QWERTY keyboard, the QWERTY key map. I don't know how you pronounce it, but she has the or he, either way, whatever. He has the quartz key map. It's like that, except it's like this one, except the parentheses are swapped and all that. But anyway, so let's just test this out. So first of all, this doesn't just support ASCII, but it also has just like the text editor, it supports Unicode. So let's do like up arrow and copy this, and we're gonna go over here. And sorry, I'm using Sober right now. It's a port of the Roblox APK for Android. So the text editor, their text editor is kind of messed up. So apologies for that. But anyway, let's do like Control plus A equals up, and then save. And now, whenever I hit Control A, look at that, we got an arrow. Which isn't that cool? But anyway, that's pretty simple. But what else do we have? We also have selection now. So look at this. We can select, and I promise you, this is actually these are literally just text labels. So we can hit Control X, Control V, and paste it somewhere else. Now, unfortunately, this isn't a real clipboard. I'm probably gonna have to make a button up here to actually copy from the clipboard soon. But for now, this works fine. But anyway, we got this. Let's just get rid of this. But now let's talk about the brand new settings I added. Look at this. We've got a whole bunch of settings, and this includes stuff about the text editor too. So if we want, we can go over here and change the tab width to 8. And look at that. Now we have huge, gigantic tabs. But if we really want, we could just do, oh my god, the 8 goes over the mouse. What the hell? Okay, we can make it really tiny, or we can just put it back to how it was, which I personally prefer. Anyway, so we've also got colors. Look at this. You can go and change the background to completely black, and now we can't see anything, which is great. But anyway, let's change it to something like gray, and that looks pretty nice. Although I'm gonna have to make it so that the text cursor can be seen on dark backgrounds easier. But anyway, let's change. Let's change the built-in function color to be green. That's not green. That's blue. And look at that. Isn't that nice? And then we can change the keyword color to be, I don't know, let's say, what do you want it to be? I want it to be like, let's say orange. Why not orange? That's yellow, that's not orange. I need more red for it to be orange. There we go, that's orange. And then for the text color, let's make it white. Isn't that nice? Okay, and then let's change the operator color to be yellow. That is white. What is wrong with me? There we go. And then the string color can be, let's make it really like, let's make it like an indigo. Look at that. That's nice. That's beautiful. And the string, the number color could be blue with a hint of like red, or no, that's a hint of green. Let's make it so that you can actually see it. There we go. It's like a sky blue, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, that's nice colors. We got colors. But anyway, yeah. You can change the colors, which is really cool. But there's also other stuff you can do in the settings, like let's make the scroll go absolutely batshit insane fast. Like, let's make it 3,000. Oh my god, look at that. Or we can like, oh my god, why did I change it before I scrolled back? That's just dumb. You can also change the selection color. So right now it's just blue and then another shade of blue. Let's change it to be red. And now it's red. It looks kind of like that old the old force field on Roblox. You can also disable it entirely, or we can just disable the animation. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff you can do. But yeah, that's it for now. That's it for this update. But I'm working hard on adding new stuff every day, so look forward to more stuff being added. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Actually, if you have any suggestions for what I should add next, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, see ya.